Having a tough time lately? Are you bored? Yeah, well, sometimes it happens that way, doesn't it? Hi, this is Bill. This is Creative License. Thanks again for being a part of our little dog and pony show today. And today I want to talk about something that I know I've talked about before. Maybe it's been a while. But for those of you that are in a part of your career right now, or even your career. This is the thing that you find passionate, DJing, MCing, performing, but you're starting to not really enjoy it as much, right? You're bored, or maybe you call it burned out. Some people call it that, right? Well, the antidote for that is simpler than you might think, and at the same time, it's not as easy as you might think, because the word is simple, and the being able to do it is simpler than we think it is, but it is gratitude. I know, don't click away. I know a bunch of people have said this, and then not really explained it, but I'm going to do my best to kind of explain the idea of gratitude. First of all, there's a lot of people that dig holes for a living. Do it every day. Dig the same exact hole, same exact size, every day, over and over, all day, 5-6 days a week, 20 years, and they live in a gratitude of life that gets them up every morning to go and dig that hole again. Because that's where it comes from, right? What you have in your life right now is something that many people don't. And I sound like my grandmother. Eat your chicken because there's people in Africa starving. Okay, no, that's not really what I'm saying. There's a million things that had to happen for you to live the life you're living right now. To even have the life that you're living right now. A million things. And for you to stand and get paid to go someplace and play music and tell stories, and that's a rarity. It's a rare thing that people will pay us to do that. It's even more rare that one person would choose you over many and allow you to do that. And when we take the time to go, well, yeah, but it's everything all the time. It's the same thing every day. Well, it's because you're not feeling any appreciation for it. And that's in the gratitude. Are you grateful for the breath in your lungs? Are you grateful for the life that you live? Are you grateful for the clients who decide to hire you as opposed to somebody else? Are you grateful for just the chance to bring out a bunch of gear that nobody else has and do really cool stuff with it? Right? That kind of gratitude helps you to not go, I'm so bored. I mean, I can use the old guilt thing that your grandma did and say, there's a million people just waiting to do what you do. You should be happy. You should be grateful. Well, okay, but how many things have you done because people told you should? So I'm not telling you should be grateful. What I'm telling you is there's an opportunity for you to escape the boredom and the idea that you're burned out by looking at what you do from a different perspective. To take on the surprising and beautiful thing that is your life. Because usually when we feel bored, or we feel angry, or we feel put upon, or we start to feel burned out because the thing's not going your way, I have this little thing that I have hanging up in my room that I look at and remember and repeat out loud whenever it happens, right? And it says, life doesn't happen to you. It happens for you. Think about that. Life doesn't happen to you. It happens for you. Well, I didn't ask to be born. I didn't ask to have life. Okay. But you have it. And it's for you. It happened for you. It didn't happen to you. It happened for you. And because of that, there are, I promise you, if you just take a second to think about it, lots of things in your life that are amazing. including the things that you think are boring. Want to make it more interesting? You can. There's lots of ways. Take a class. I have a workshop. But I mean, you could take a class, or you could try a new thing, or you could try to sing at the next event and fail. But look how exciting it could be, right? You could take a gig that you don't think you can do. You could talk your way onto a stage to sing in a musical. Yeah, I know. I don't know if I can do that. I'm not sure if that's merely me. All right. It'd be more interesting, though, wouldn't it? It would make you try different things. It would make you feel grateful that someone allowed you to stand on the stage with no experience to sing a song. The same thing is happening right now in the life you have. It's just that you think you've got it figured out, and there ain't nothing less to figure out, so it's boring. All right. You chose that, not me. So as long as you choose to say it's boring, as long as you choose to say it's not fun and that life is hard and everything is happening to me, then that's what you get. But take on that maybe life is happening for you. See how that turns around for you. It sounds like a little, armchair psychiatry here, but it's not. It's just as easily said as I just said. Now give it a try. Tell me what you think. Write down your comments below. I'm Bill. This is Creative License, and I'll see you next week.